So today we are looking at a vocabulary in context question. You guys know in vocabulary in context questions, our main goal is to choose the word that best fits both the meaning and the logic of the sentence actually. So let's get started. Let's first read the passage. The passage says, the Egyptian plover, a bird native to Africa, has a symbiotic relationship with the Nile crocodile. While a crocodile rests on land and with its mouth open for extended periods of time, the plover eats the food and that is stuck in crocodile's teeth. This blank relationship provides a nutritious meal for the bird and removes potentially dangerous bacteria from the crocodile's mouth. From what I understand, here this relationship is positive because it is saying that by the plover, the bird can get nutritious meal by digging the mouth of the crocodile actually, and from this the crocodile can also benefit. The bird can clean its mouth from dangerous bacteria. So that's why I'm telling it is as a beneficial relationship. So we can our idea is that the relationship is beneficial because as the passage says, when the crocodile sits with its mouth open, the plover eats the food stuck in the crocodile's teeth. As a result, the bird gets a meal and the crocodile gets its mouth cleaned of dangerous bacteria. So the key idea is both species benefit here, guys. Now from what we can understand, let's come up with our own answer choice. If both the bird and crocodile gets benefit from this relationship, it should be mutual. The word that I came up with is mutual, because mutual means reliant on each other actually. So that's why mutual fits best here. Now with our own word in mind, let's look at the answer choices. Choice A says reciprocal. The word reciprocal. The word reciprocal actually means each side gives and receives something. That matches perfectly with the idea that both the bird and the crocodile benefit. And also reciprocal is one of the synonyms of the word mutual. So that's why it is actually equal to the word mutual. So that's why we can leave the word reciprocal. And now let's look at the other answer choices. Choice B says interchangeable. Interchangeable means two things that can replace each other. But the bird and the crocodile cannot replace each other. They are just benefiting from a mutual relationship actually. So this doesn't make sense in the passage. We can cross out choice B. Choice C says inefficient. Inefficient means not effective. But we are not talking about whether the relationship is effective or not in the passage. So we can confidently cross out choice C too. Now choice D, unequal. Unequal suggests one side benefits more than the other or does not benefit at all. But we are not talking about the amount of benefits here. So we are just saying that they both get benefits. So that's why choice D is also wrong. Now our only answer choice is answer choice A, which is our correct answer choice.